In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to design an ebook cover that looks professional. Quick and simple, that looks professional. You don't have to complicate things. Canva is a good platform that has wonderful templates that you can use if you are not a proficient graphic designer. Anyone, even begin. This is for beginners. So if you've written an ebook and you want a cover that will look professional, just use Canva. So what you do is go to canva.com. Then if you haven't registered an account, just register with an email. And once you do that, it will bring you to this home page. So this is the home page of Canva. And here you just go on templates and you search book cover. You can just search book cover or ebook cover. Just search book cover. And once you do that, there will be different types of covers that will come. So according to the type of book that you have written, you can choose a cover a template that looks like or that communicates the message that you want to communicate according to the message of your ebook. So you choose any of these covers and then you just customize. But before you do that, when you see, this is a free version I'm using. So when you see there is a crown here on a template, that means that one, it's for a paid version, which means you have to pay for it. But these that don't have, you can use them and make and customize them according to the book that you have written and be able to use them. So which one are we going to use? Let's just choose any of these. So for example, let's say, let me see the one I can use. So I'll use this one. So if I choose this template, here there are other templates that are similar to the one. So there will be suggestions that will be similar to the one you have chosen. And they're amazing templates. Look at these. You can just customize them according to according to the ebook that you have written. And these are amazing. But for learning purposes, let's just use the one that I have chosen. So once you open the one you have chosen, remember you can do this using your phone. You can also do it using a laptop. And on a laptop, you can go direct on web just like this, where you're using a browser, or you can download the app to to design to do all this. They even have an app for a computer. So now I just have to customize this. So what that simply means is that you just have to change this to what you want. So you can customize everything here. You can customize to suit your ebook. So no wonder these are templates that you can use to customize your ebook so that it looks professional. So for example, let's say uh, this is the one of the ebooks that I'm working on, which will be available soon. The title is yeah. So the aligned creator. So I'm working on the aligned creator framework, which is an ebook that I'm working on. At the moment, it will be available very soon. So you can customize everything and design it according to how you want it. Or you can even start, once you become a pro using Canva, you can even start from scratch to design the book that you want, to design it according to how you want it. So if you want, you can just do this. You can remove all this. Maybe you can leave the color to be here, or you can just let it be like that. maybe just like that, so that it suits. So everything here you can customize, you can delete some, you can move some. Even if you wanted to change the cover, let's say the background photo, if you wanted to put, maybe it's a book that you want to put your photo as your face on that book, you can do that. Then here I just change the name. So let me write my name. So I can do that. So that's it. If I want to export it, then I just come here. Then I download. I choose the format, whether PDF, Shan, PDF, JPEG, or PNG. I prefer PNG. Then I just export it like that. That's how it is. Then it is downloaded on my PC. It is downloaded on my PC. I can easily open it. There you go. Or, for example, let me use one which, for example, you want to use your photo maybe. So I can come here, I can click on design. They'll give me suggested ebooks, book covers. Then I can choose any of these, any of these. Maybe let's say this. Then you want just like this. Then you want this ebook to change, maybe put your background photo. So if I want to put a background photo that is mine, all I have to do, I have to just go on uploads. In uploads, then I'll choose one of my photos. So some of the photos that are here in Canva, and every upload, every photo that you put on Canva, they easily keep, it easily stores them so that you can refer to them next time you are designing anything. So for example, if I wanted to use this, I can just, once I click on the photo like I've done, it comes here. I just have to right click, then I go on replace background. Then my photo is there. So that's how you do it. It's not that complicated. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, friends.